Hello 6th graders, this is your teacher Gundi. Welcome to English grammar class. Today we will study articles. Children, if you have BBC, open your module 5 at page 209. Children, you have studied this topic in your lower classes also. When we talk about articles, the first word that come in our mind is articles are a and the. But actually, what are these a and the? These articles, this is an article, is a kind of adjective or a determiner used before a common countable noun. Noun which is common and countable also. Now see, there are two kinds of articles. First is indefinite articles and the second definite. Indefinite articles are a and. They are called indefinite because they do not indicate any particular person, thing or place. Such articles are used only with singular countable nouns that denote one. And definite article, that is the. It is called so because it points to a particular person, thing or place. It can be used with both singular and plural nouns and even with uncountable nouns. Children, we will study these two topics in detail. A and an are the two forms of single article called indefinite article. They are used as determiner. Okay, they are used as determiner. And you know what are determiners? Determiners are the words that are used before noun. Now see, a and an, the indefinite article, they act as a determiner since they are used before a noun. Now, as it denotes one, it is used before singular countable noun. Got it? Articles, indefinite articles, they denote one, singular thing. So, they are called singular countable noun. They are the determiners that indicate the coming of nouns. Now, see where a is used. It is used before a singular countable noun that is mentioned for the very first time. For example, I saw a lion in the zoo today. That means a lion is mentioned for the first time in the sentence. I have never seen a comet. A comet. This comet is mentioned for the very first time in this given sentence. So we used a. It is used before a singular countable noun or adjective beginning with a consonant sound. Now see, I saw a movie. Movie, M. M is a consonant sound. So we used a movie. She found a book. B is a consonant. He ate a banana. Again banana, B. Starting from the consonant sound, that is B. It is a banana. A beautiful flower. A beautiful. Beautiful starts from consonant B. A tall girl. Tall. T. The consonant sound, where the word starts from the consonant sound, we use a. Next, it is used before a singular countable noun which is an example of a class of thing. That means which act as the representative of a group or a class. For example, a child needs love. A child, that means all children need love. A child here represents a class of all the children. Next, it is used to express quantity. For example, a lot of, a bit of, a couple of, a dozen, a pair of, and so on. A is also used before units of price, speed, ratio, weight, etc. Like sugar is rupees 25 a kilo. The car gives 20 kilometer a liter. Understood? We also use a before certain numbers. For example, 100, a billion. It is also used in expression of frequency like twice a day, once a week, thrice a week. In certain exclamatory expressions. Exclamatory sentences, children, you know, that show expression and that are marked with the sign of exclamatory. What a beautiful shot. What a pity. A lot of work. Like this also we use a. Children, understood? How to use a in different cases? Basically, it is used before a singular countable noun when it is mentioned for the first time. A number of more cases I have explained to you. Go through it. The next indefinite article is an. An performs the same function as a. But, children, an is used before singular countable nouns which begin with vowel sound like a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple, an egg, an orange, an axe, etc. Children, remember, the initial sound, not the spelling, is important. For example, read these words: university, uniform, European. Children, although these words begin with the vowels U and E, but these three words are pronounced with the sound U, which is a consonant sound. So, it will be a university, a uniform, a European. It is not an university or an uniform, although it is starting from the vowel, but not starting from the vowel sound. Next, see. Read these words now. 1 rupee note, one-eyed man. Now see, children, the word one begins with the vowel O, but one is pronounced with the W sound, which is also a consonant sound. So, we can't say it as an 1 rupee note or an one-eyed man. What it would be? It would be a 1 rupee note, a one-eyed man, because it is beginning with the consonant sound. Now see, are, honest. These words begin with consonant letters but are pronounced with a vowel sound. So they will take an before them because they are pronounced with the vowel sound, not with the consonant sound. The consonant H at the beginning of are and honest is silent. So we will begin with the vowel sound. Next is MP, SP. Now see, children, the consonant M in MP and S in SP sound like EMM, M, EM and ESS respectively. That is, they begin with a vowel sound. So we will use an before them. They begin with which sound? They begin with the vowel sound, that is M or S. So what we will use before MP and SP? We will use an MP and SP. Now children, see, it's very important to learn omission of a, an. In certain cases, a, an is not used. It is not used before plural nouns. For example, not a dogs, but a group of dogs. We will not say not a dogs. It is plural. When the nouns are plural, then a, an is not used. Before uncountable nouns, names of substances, abstract nouns, etc. Not a gold. Gold cannot be counted, but we write it as but a piece of gold. Not an advice. An advice, this is wrong to say. It is abstract noun. Instead, we will say a piece of advice. It's wrong to say not a news, but a piece of news. Not a luggage, it's wrong, but we will write but a piece of luggage. A, an is also not used before meals like lunch, breakfast, dinner. We don't say a lunch, a breakfast, it's wrong. But if it is a special meal, then we can take a, an before that meal. For example, a dinner in PM's honor. This is a special case, a special meal. Then we can place a before the meal. We will never use a, an before proper nouns also. But see, there is an exception in this case. A Rakesh means someone by the name of Rakesh. I don't know him. That means a Rakesh, a person whom I don't know, who is not familiar to me. When we point out an unfamiliar person, then we can place a before a proper noun. Understood? Christmas, football also, don't take any indefinite article. In certain idiomatic expressions also or special phrases also, we don't use a or an. For example, go to school, by bus, on foot. We don't say go to a school, by the bus, on the foot. In phrases also, we don't use a or an. Okay children, I hope you have understood it. In the next session, we'll talk about definite articles. That's all for today's class of indefinite articles, a and an. Thank you children.